DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. So check her out, DDAmanda.com. This is a DDAmanda video on Vast Renewables Limited, symbol VSTE, on the NASDAQ. You know, when you first look at DDAmanda, this is a different stock here. This is TANH. But I wanted to go over and explain some of this data because it looks really intimidating at first, but it's really not. If you just look at it for a few minutes, it'll all make sense. Here we have, on the right side, we have 200 days of trading data. In the program, you can scroll down and get all 200 days. This just shows the most recent. So you have your date, your actual dollars traded, which is really important. I don't really believe in volume that much. I go by dollars traded. What's the money? The price you closed at, the factor. This is what we use a lot to run our scans and find these stocks, pick them out. The actual volume, the intraday low, high, and open. The percentage up, if she went up, there'll be a number in here. And if she went down, there'll be a number in here. There's some other stuff here I'm not going to get into. You also show your actual book value from the financials in real time. Your price to book ratio, your earnings per share, your EPS, your PE, and your cash ratio, which is, total current assets versus total assets. You've also got 5 days worth of RSI here. This is today, and then, yesterday and the other 4 days ago, all right? And then you have StockTwit's number of followers. It's just a lot of information in one spot, so you don't have to go all over hell and gone to find it. So, and then we have a chart here. If you click on this chart in the program, it'll switch to a 90-day chart. And if you click on it again, it'll show you a real-time daily chart. What's happening in that day, and also what happened today. All right, so this is an explanation of some of this stuff here. So let's get back to the stock we're talking about. Now, there's a lot of indicators here. First off, we got a 200-day low alert on 10/25, okay, of 0.90, and actually the day before we had a 200-day low intraday of 83. Look at that. So this show has been on the scan here for a while now, it looks like, because, well, this was actually a 200-day low before, but this is the latest one where it showed up on a scan. And then 2 days later we had a 10 factor, okay, which is pretty significant. So your entry here is right around $1 here, okay. And then she opened here on the next day after this 10 factor at $1.14, so you could have got in there as well. Here's your intraday low. And she kind of blew up with this 96.91 factor. So even if you didn't get in here, you definitely could have got in the next day at $2 here, okay, on the open, and she actually went down to 190. So there's two alerts, your 200-day low alert, plus your high factors alert. And then she blew up. Intraday high 2 days later, or the next day, of $8. And she actually closed at 4.8. So there's a double right there. And if you had the guts to stay in a little bit longer, you probably could have got out at 6 or 7 even. Here's your dollars traded, 107 million here on this 96.91 factor day, and then 340 million today. So that's another 200-day low. Your 200-day lows are in bold blue. Your 200-day high lows are in bold red, just for your information. What else have we got here? RSI is 89. That's still within reason, right? The day before that she was at 72, and the day before that at 84. So StockTwit's mentions or followers is about 1,000 here. So anyway, there's an example, another example of how DDAmanda will find these for you and how you can trade them and make a lot of money. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching, and onward and upward, baby. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use. And the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose.